Hello everyone, this is Vrishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel CSN IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our previous some sessions, we have discussed about centralized and client server architecture database. We also discussed about parallel database architecture with examples. I have mentioned a complete database management system subject playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss our next topic, that is cloud database. So before move forward to this session, if you want to make your engineering simple and easier, please subscribe the channel. Also, share this playlist with your friends so that will be beneficial for everyone. Now, in today's session, we will discuss what exactly cloud database, their types, features, and different challenges. At the end, we will discuss some important question bank. So let's see one by one. Now, the first point is what exactly cloud database. The cloud database, which is also called as database as a service. Cloud database is one kind of place where you can store, manage your data all over the internet. Basically, you don't need to install, maintain any physical database server. Everything is maintained by cloud database provider. Assume that in normal database is like a room in your house. You have to build your data, you have to clean your data by your own, right? But cloud database is like a renting system. Means you have to take a particular database on rent from different multinational companies provider. It is very big and secure to storing your data. This cloud database provider take care of your data more efficiently. So this is called as cloud database. Now let's understand in more detail. So there are total two types of cloud database, relational and non-relational database. Relational cloud database support the structured data, means everything have stored in rows and columns format, proper organized way. There are different SQL, Oracle, they support the relational database. On the another side, non-relational cloud database support the unstructured data, means they stored information in various formats like JPG, MP3, PDF, everything. They have stored in different formats of data. Let's understand some examples. There are different relational cloud database like AWS. AWS provide the Amazon RDS cloud database that was used by Flipkart and Samsung company to store their data. Again, Google Cloud provide Google Cloud SQL database which is used by Spotify, YouTube to store their all data. Then Microsoft Azure provide Azure SQL database. Oracle provide Oracle Cloud database. Then again IBM provide IBM DB2 database. So Oracle data cloud database mostly used in different banking sector, telecommunication industries to store their huge amount of data. IBM Cloud Database used in different financial sector and healthcare sectors. Similarly, in non-relational cloud databases, one of the most used database that is MongoDB and Amazon DynamoDB. This was provided by AWS. Nowadays, different social applications like Netflix, Zoom, eBay, they use this cloud database for storing their own data. Again, Google Cloud provide Google Firestore that was used by Snapchat to store different formats of data like audio data, video data, and other formats. Then Couchbase provide Couchbase Cloud. Redis Lab provide Redis Enterprise Cloud Database that was used by Twitter and GitHub for storing their data. So these all are the different cloud database and all are the higher companies, they use their cloud database for storing their large amount of data, right? Now, the next topic is what are the different features of cloud database? The one of the most important feature is scalability. Scalability means you can grow and shrink your database automatically. Suppose you have to take the database size in GB format. So you can automatically grow it to TB format, right? Means you can purchase a database as per your need, right? Next one is a high availability. See, if one server fail, then another server automatically take over your application. your application doesn't go down. So they provide a higher availability. Also, it provide fully managed system. There are different cloud providers. They handle your update, backup and maintenance, everything. You don't have to install software by your own. Cloud provider provide and handle everything for your database. Next one is a automatic backup. You can save your data regularly and automatically on your database. The best example is Google Docs, right? Whatever you have stored in Google document, Google Excel sheet, they by default store it, which is called as automatic backup system. Next, global access. See, your data is accessible from anywhere in the world. So you can serve or you can use database on different location. Let's take an example. Suppose you build a multiplayer gaming application in India, but that application also used by USA, Japan, right? So all the data have stored globally on cloud database. Now, one of the most important thing nowadays is security. So cloud database can use different encryption algorithms, user permissions, then different password techniques, access control techniques to secure data more efficiently, right? Next, pay as you go. So this is one of the most interesting feature in cloud database. You can pay that whatever the features you have used, right? In cloud database, there are multiple features, but you have to pay whatever the features you have used accordingly. This is called as pay as you go system. Next one is works with other tools. By using cloud database, you can easily connect with different analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or different frameworks or app building tools. You can easily connect and easily integrate with that. So these are the different features of cloud database. Next one is what are the challenges of cloud database. So one of the major challenges is latency and performance issue. See, suppose your database hosted in USA and you can use this database from India. So there are minor network delay in this, right? So this is called as latency and performance issue. Next one is the internet dependency. As we know, there are some areas where poor network connectivity, but cloud database required a stable internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection, then only you can store your data efficiently, accurately on cloud database. So internet dependency, one of the major challenge for cloud database. Next one is the data security and privacy concerns. As we know, you can store your sensitive data like your personal details, password details, login credentials on cloud database. So there will be also security risk in cloud. Next one is the downtime and outages. See, all these cloud database have provided by the higher and top cloud providers like Amazon, Google, IBM, right? But also they experience different outages or network issues. Sometimes what happens, the particular database is temporarily inaccessible due to different outages. The example of this, in December 2021, AWS outages affect the Netflix, Slack, or many more social applications, right? So there was a chances of outages on cloud database. Again, next one is a cost management complexity. As we discussed earlier, cloud database used pay as you go system. Means whatever the features you use, you can pay accordingly. But sometimes what happen, let's take an example of Flipkart. Suppose there is a Diwali offers, New Year offers are there. So sudden traffic spike is there. There are lots of balancing factors is there, right? So they increase your cost management, increase your time and space complexity. So these are the different challenges have faced by cloud database. Now, as per your previous year question paper, the most asked question is write a short note on cloud database for 6 marks. So this is most easiest one. You can attempt this question. Another one is what are the challenges in cloud database. So you can prepare accordingly. So this is all about cloud database. Thank you. Keep learning and please subscribe the channel.